Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate in React apps with Auth0 for UI sign-in flows, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting Auth0's official website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Applications tab. Select Create Application to start a new project. Choose a name for your application and select the Single Page Application option. Click on Create to set up your application. On the Application Settings page, take note of your domain and client ID as you will need these later. Scroll down to find the Allowed Callback URLs section. Add the URL where your React app will run, typically http://localhost 3000/callback for local development. Next, add the allowed logout URLs and allowed web origins in the settings as well. Now, open your React app project in your preferred code editor. Install the Auth0 React SDK by running npm install at auth0/auth0 react in your terminal. Create a new file named auth0 provider with history.js in the src folder. In this file, import necessary packages, auth0 provider from auth0/auth0 react and create browser history from history. Wrap the auth0 provider around your application component, passing in the domain and client ID as props. In your index.js, import the new provider file you just created. Replace the conventional browser router from React Router DOM with your custom Auth0 provider. Next, create a new component for login, say loginbutton.js. In this component, import the useauth0 hook from auth0/auth0 react. Use the useauth0 hook to access the login with redirect function. Render a button that triggers the login with redirect on click. Now, create another component for logout, let's call it logoutbutton.js. Similarly, use the useauth0 hook to capture the logout function. Render a button that calls the logout function when clicked. Next, you'll want to create a protected route component. Install React Router DOM if you haven't done so with npm install React Router DOM. Set up a new route that requires authentication by comparing if user is logged in. If the user is authenticated, allow access, otherwise, redirect them to the login page. In your main app component, integrate these buttons and routes accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.